Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Flask on Windows operating system. So in my previous videos I have already showed you how to install OpenCV, Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, Selenium, NLTK, lot of Python packages videos I have already showed you on my previous videos. So that playlist link I am going to provide right in your description, so you can also watch those playlists. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Flask. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in your comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. Now to install any packages, first thing that you need to have is Python. So in my previous videos, I have showed you how to install Python. So this python.org/download link, I'm going to put right in our description. So you can directly use that link to land over to the official site of Python. And once you are here click on this download button and install our Python. So you can also follow my video. I'm going to provide that link also in the description. So once you have Python installed, you can minimize your browser and to go to your search and to just simply type over here cmd and open our command prompt. So on our command prompt, if you just simply type python space -- version and hit enter, you can see that our latest version of Python version 3.12.2 is already been installed. So once you see that Python is installed successfully, it's time to check our pip version. So just simply type py space -m, then pip, then space -- version and hit enter. And immediately you can see that our pip version 24.0 is rightly shown. So at the time of making of this video, this is the latest version. I am going to also show you how you can easily upgrade your pip. So to upgrade your pip, you need to just simply type python.exe and then space, then -m, then again space, then pip, then install, then again space, -- upgrade, then space, then pip and hit enter. And you can see that our requirement is already satisfied. So the latest version pip of 24 is already been installed on our system, so it's nothing there to upgrade. Maybe your time when you are installing these Python packages, you might require to upgrade your pip. So it is very important to upgrade your pip. So always run this command. So once our pip gets upgraded, let's clear everything from our console. So just simply type cls and hit enter. And now we're good to go to install any Python package. And now I'm going to show you how to install Flask. So for that, you need to just simply type pip install Flask and hit enter. And immediately you'll be seeing it is started collecting our Flask from internet and then going to install it locally on your system. So you can see it is currently doing that. So you need to have active internet connection right throughout this installation. So you can see it is successfully installed our Flask. So you can see the latest version of Flask at the time of making of this video, which is version 3.2.2, is successfully downloaded and installed on our system. Alright, so let's quickly jump over to our Python idle shell. So just go to search and type idle over here. It will show you idle. So open our Python idle. And here if you just simply type from Flask import Flask. Alright, so this time F will be capital and you can see that it is successfully imported on our Python idle shell and it is not throwing any error. So if you see this similar type of prompt, then all that basically mean is our Flask is successfully installed and it is good to go to use onto your project. Alright, so in this way you can install latest version of Flask on Windows operating system. I have also started Geeky syntax channel, so here regularly I am posting coding related videos, so please do subscribe our Geeky syntax channel, and also if you're interested you can also subscribe our Geeky script blogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.